Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a craft business with Michael's complete guide step by step clearly. Starting a craft business with Michael's can be an exciting journey. First, identify your niche and the specific crafts you want to sell. Research popular trends to find what resonates with potential customers. Next, create a business plan outlining your goals and target market. Include details about your budget, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Consider how much time you can dedicate to your new venture. Then, set up a workspace that inspires creativity and productivity. Gather essential tools and materials based on the crafts you'll be selling. Visit Michael's to source high-quality supplies that align with your vision. Join Michael's Rewards program for discounts and special offers. Create unique and well-crafted products that stand out in the market. Once you have a selection, take high-quality photos for your listings. Choose a sales platform that suits your business model. You might consider Etsy, a personal website, or local markets. Set up your online store with detailed product descriptions and pricing. Make sure to include shipping and return policies for customers. Promote your craft business through social media channels. Engage with your audience and share behind-the-scenes content. Participate in local craft fairs and community events for visibility. Network with other crafters and business owners for support and collaboration. Keep track of your sales and expenses to evaluate your business performance. As you grow, consider expanding your offerings based on customer feedback. Stay updated on industry trends to keep your products fresh and appealing. Remember, passion and perseverance are key to your success in this venture. With the right planning and creativity, you'll be well on your way to running a successful craft business with Michael's. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.